Are you ready? Get on your mark, get set, let her go. Raka. Wow, Raka. Seconds. Ten seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, you can get it off. It's going to be close. How many points? 7 points. 7 points for Croc. 8 more contestants. Raka, get on your mark. Get set. Let Crocker go. All right, get some points now. You can catch the leader. Leader had 13 at the end of the first round, so you got a chance.
Oh, you better get it, Craig. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, Craig, hurry. Let's bring it. Lie down.
30 seconds left.